Baguio Medical Center.
Diyan ako diyan ako mag-teach.
CYA Center. Parang konti ng tao ngayon dito. Hindi ka nagka-crowded para sa atin sa paligid. Diba?
Ganda po na ito lang agad dito.
What's up sa akin na 1 minute na pala. Uy, ganda oh.
Galing to the haircut.
Ha? Nasaan? Santa Monica? Ang family neighbors.
Hello, ganda niya na po. We're both still young, so what's the rush? Tonight is saying that we're not joking now.
Dami ba ako pakain, no?
You come around and find out too so much. We had a plan, so we had way more odds. Let's make up. You'll be the reason that you always set me up. So, you like the way I fuck inside your butt. You told me you know, man, I'm making that. It's a damn shame. You got me and knock your pussy up and down, right? Remember that last time? Hey, wow.
Yan, ay, yan. Matibay pa alam ko.
Where are we going, son?
Yan.
I did a haircut. Exploder.
Daming mga runners dito eh. Yeah.
Pag-embo. 400 sa tigitan. Wala pa kami
Bakit? Saan?
Parang wala katao.
Wala akong tao eh. No? I could be the peace with my love for you. Wala naman. But it's only you for me. Ayun yung kulay blue na yun? Ito? Hindi ko makita, boy. Hindi kasi parang ano siya eh. Parang abandonado.
Oo.
Kapag ilang yung likod niya. Mukhang ano.
Uy, UC.
Malaki rin pala itong yung sino, boy. Dito nag-residence yan eh.
University of
Cordillera. UC. Stressed out. Ang ganda ng mga ano dito, guys. Petron. Puro Petron yata yung ano nila yun.
Bakit yan?
Yan naman talaga yung pinakauna na ang
Sasakyan.
Petron.
Ha? O bus?
Nakapasok ka doon.
Ay. Daming flowers. Bawal siguro pumitas dito ng bulaklak. Uy.
Uy, bakit chicks?
There's none, bro.
Chicks sa Ayaw View.
Burnham na kami, guys. Burnham na. Happy Post Pet Park. Kagawa lang taon sa Pet Park. That's kind of sad, you know. Oh, so many people here. So many people in the world. Many peoples around the world. Hold on, let me fix my hair. So. Is that right na? Ganda ang daming tao dito yan. Daming tao.
So, parang kamiling talaga nun. Pero
Oo,
improve.
kamiling. Parang kamiling.
Pero improve.
Uy, may nag-zumba rin.
Oo, Zumba ba? Zumba.
Daming activities dito, gago. Weird. This was my first time seeing
Pero fuck anybody. That's it.
No, ito si Chilean Pregan sa Pilipinas. Police.
I know that you have. Pogi, nadidisit ba sa mga tao dito ne?
Kaya nga.
Buti pa dito.
Where the fuck are we going, bruh?
Free ground.
Parking.
Wala pa.
Big parking.
May mga bayad yung parking. So enjoyment.
Gogo, anti so. Di ako it.
Okay na. Mabangus na naman tayo sa labas, guys. Another activity ulit.
Ate Ben, gusto mo? Sabihin mo na. Ma, saka.
Pwede nyo naman.
Sumambot
Mahabol ka.
May pahabol.